The 20th century witnessed a surge in stories about alien abductions. These tales, often filled with strange lights, missing time, and inexplicable procedures, captured the public imagination. People from all walks of life began to share their experiences, creating a tapestry of encounters that ranged from the bizarre to the terrifying. These narratives were not just isolated incidents, but part of a larger cultural phenomenon. The stories often included common elements, such as bright lights in the sky, a sense of lost time, and mysterious beings conducting strange experiments. These shared experiences helped to validate the accounts for many, making them more than just fringe tales. But where did these narratives originate? What cultural and historical factors contributed to the rise of these extraordinary stories?
A confluence of cultural factors laid the groundwork for these extraordinary accounts. The mid-20th century was a time of rapid technological advancement and social change. Television and newspapers brought the world into people's living rooms, making distant events feel immediate and personal. The Cold War, a time of heightened paranoia and technological advancement, fueled anxieties about unknown threats. The fear of the unknown, whether it was the threat of nuclear war or the possibility of extraterrestrial life, permeated the collective consciousness. The space race further ignited our fascination with the cosmos. As nations competed to explore the final frontier, the idea of encountering otherworldly beings became more plausible. The sight of rockets launching into space and astronauts venturing into the unknown captured the public's imagination. Images of rockets soaring into the unknown sparked both excitement and fear about what might lie beyond. The possibility of encountering intelligent life forms, whether friendly or hostile, became a topic of serious consideration.
Science fiction played a pivotal role as well. The genre, which had been growing in popularity since the early 20th century, provided a fertile ground for exploring themes of alien visitation and abduction. Books and films, from H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to The Day the Earth Stood Still, explored themes of alien visitation. These stories, often cautionary tales, instilled a sense of wonder mixed with apprehension. They posed questions about humanity's place in the universe and the potential consequences of encountering advanced civilizations. These stories, often cautionary tales, instilled a sense of wonder mixed with apprehension. They planted the seeds for imagining encounters with beings from other worlds. The idea that we are not alone in the universe became a compelling narrative that resonated with many. They planted the seeds for imagining encounters with beings from other worlds. These narratives provided a framework for understanding and interpreting strange experiences, whether they were real or imagined.
These cultural currents created fertile ground for abduction narratives to take root. The combination of technological advancements, social changes, and the influence of science fiction created a perfect storm for these stories to flourish. The idea of advanced beings, with inscrutable motives, resonated with a world grappling with the complexities of the Cold War and the vastness of space. The fear and fascination with the unknown were powerful forces that shaped these narratives. These stories, whether rooted in genuine experiences or the subconscious anxieties of the time, became a powerful lens through which humanity confronted its place in the universe. They allowed people to explore their fears and hopes about the unknown, providing a way to make sense of a rapidly changing world. Few alien abduction stories have captivated the public like the case of Betty and Barney Hill. Their story remains one of the most compelling and widely discussed accounts in the history of UFO sightings and alien encounters. In 1961, the Hills claimed to have been abducted while driving through rural New Hampshire. The couple was returning from a vacation in Canada when they noticed a strange light in the sky that seemed to be following them. They reported seeing a strange light in the sky, experiencing missing time, and undergoing medical examinations aboard a spacecraft. The light grew closer and eventually revealed itself as a flying saucer, leading to their alleged abduction. The Hills account, revealed under hypnosis, became a sensation. Under hypnosis, they recounted detailed descriptions of the aliens and the procedures they underwent. which included physical examinations and communication with the extraterrestrial beings. It introduced key elements that would define the abduction narrative: missing time, medical procedures, and communication with extraterrestrial beings. These elements have since become staples in many other abduction stories, influencing the way such encounters are reported and perceived. This case sparked widespread public intrigue and debate, fueling the growing fascination with alien encounters. People were divided, with some believing the Hills story wholeheartedly, while others remained skeptical, demanding more concrete evidence. Another landmark case, the Travis Walton incident of 1975, further intensified the public's interest. Walton's story added another layer of complexity to the phenomenon of alien abductions. Walton, a logger, vanished for 5 days after his co-workers allegedly witnessed him struck by a beam of light from a UFO. The incident occurred in the Apache Sitgreaves National Forest in Arizona, and his disappearance led to a massive search operation. He resurfaced with a bizarre tale of abduction, physical examination, and eventual release. Walton described being taken aboard a spacecraft where he encountered alien beings and underwent various medical tests before being returned to Earth. These cases, recounted in books, documentaries, and news reports, ignited both belief and skepticism. They have been the subject of numerous investigations, debates, and media coverage, each adding to the lore and mystery surrounding alien abductions. They highlighted the often contradictory nature of abduction accounts, with witnesses offering compelling stories yet lacking physical evidence. The lack of tangible proof has always been a point of contention, leading to heated debates among believers and skeptics alike. The lack of concrete proof only deepened the mystery, leaving audiences to grapple with the plausibility of these extraordinary claims. As people continue to look to the skies, the stories of Betty and Barney Hill and Travis Walton remain pivotal in the ongoing discussion about the existence of extraterrestrial life and the possibility of alien abductions.
While some embrace alien abduction stories as genuine encounters, others turn to psychological explanations to understand these phenomena. These explanations delve into the intricacies of the human mind, exploring how our perceptions and memories can be influenced by various factors. Sleep paralysis, a condition where individuals are aware of their surroundings but unable to move or speak, offers one possible explanation. During these episodes, people often report feeling a presence in the room, which can be interpreted as an alien entity. This state can be incredibly frightening, leading to vivid and terrifying experiences that feel very real. This state, often accompanied by hallucinations, can induce feelings of terror and a sense of an alien presence. Hallucinations during sleep paralysis can be so vivid that they blur the line between reality and imagination, making it difficult for individuals to distinguish between what is real and what is not.
False memories, another area of exploration, suggest that abduction accounts could be the result of distorted or fabricated recollections. Our brains are not perfect recorders of events. They are prone to errors and can be influenced by external factors such as media, conversations, and personal beliefs. The human mind, susceptible to suggestion, can create vivid and detailed memories of events that never actually occurred. This phenomenon is particularly evident in cases where individuals have been exposed to stories or images of alien abductions, which can shape their own experiences and memories.
Hypnosis, often used to recover repressed memories of alleged abductions, has proven to be a controversial tool. While some believe that hypnosis can help unlock hidden truths, others argue that it can lead to the creation of false memories, as individuals may be highly suggestible during these sessions. While some argue that hypnosis can unlock hidden truths, others caution that it can lead to false memories and confabulation. The power of suggestion during hypnosis can be so strong that individuals may come to believe in events that never actually happened, further complicating the understanding of their experiences. The power of suggestion, particularly within a therapeutic setting, can influence individuals to create narratives that align with their expectations or the expectations of the hypnotist. This can result in detailed and convincing accounts of abductions that are, in reality, products of the mind's ability to construct elaborate stories.
These psychological explanations do not necessarily dismiss the experiences of those who believe they have been abducted. Instead, they offer a different perspective, suggesting that these experiences may be rooted in the complex workings of the human mind rather than external extraterrestrial events. However, they offer alternative interpretations for understanding these events, providing a framework that considers the influence of psychological factors such as sleep disorders, memory distortion, and the power of suggestion, highlighting the complex interplay between perception, memory, and the human mind. By examining these factors, we can gain a deeper understanding of how and why individuals might come to believe they have experienced an alien abduction, even in the absence of concrete evidence.
The rise of modern technology has had a profound impact on the way we perceive and interpret alien abduction stories. Smartphones with high-quality cameras, widespread surveillance systems, and the constant stream of information online have made it more challenging for potential encounters to go unnoticed. Skeptics argue that this increased scrutiny makes it less likely for extraterrestrial spacecraft to operate undetected. Where are the clear images and videos of UFOs captured by our ubiquitous digital devices?
The lack of concrete evidence in the digital age fuels skepticism towards abduction claims. However, technology has also given rise to new forms of abduction narratives. Deepfakes, AI-generated images and videos blur the lines between reality and fabrication. Fabricated evidence, difficult to distinguish from authentic footage, can further muddy the waters.
These technological advancements present a double-edged sword. While they have the potential to debunk hoaxes and expose false claims, they also offer tools for creating increasingly sophisticated and convincing narratives. The challenge lies in discerning truth from fabrication, in an era where technology can manipulate our perception of reality.